Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys read the title already, so you know that this is going to be my empty apartment tour. And I'm just letting you guys know now, I am going to keep my mask on because I'm just trying to stay super safe. And this is a brand new apartment. Like, no one has lived in here before me, but you know, people are in here like building it and putting it together and everything, and I haven't started cleaning yet, so I'm just gonna wear my mask until I do clean. So I'm gonna wear this mask for the entire video. Hope you guys are staying safe during COVID. I hope your new year is also a great start. And yeah, let's get into this empty apartment tour. Okay, so here's the front door. To the right of the front door is a closet, and then to the left is the kitchen. So literally right when you walk in the door, you're just stepping into the kitchen. So behind this door here is actually the washer and dryer. And then, like I said, to the left is going to be the kitchen. So this here is the kitchen. This might be one of my favorite parts of the apartment, just because it looks so freaking nice and so luxurious. I'm obsessed with this fridge. Everything is electric. So it is a double-sided fridge. And it does have the ice maker and everything like that. That's going to be the freezer side. And then when we go this way, you have just, this here is like a huge pantry. And I'm excited about this because I hate when places don't have pantries. But then it's kind of not a good idea because I'm just going to stock it up with snacks. But yeah, there's like tons and tons and tons of storage in this kitchen. The only thing that I don't, well, like I love everything in the kitchen, but what I what I actually just noticed is that there's no lighting under here, like underneath the cabinets. So I think I'm gonna just put lights in there myself. But I do love the backsplash on here. That's such a pretty color. And then this is actually kind of like a marble type of, you guys can't see it, it's so light. It's like a marble but without like the gray and everything in it. So yeah, but yeah, I really do love this kitchen. The only thing that I don't like about it, and I am not complaining, is that this is dark and I wish it was white. Like, I just love a white kitchen, and I'm not really a huge fan of dark woods, but this actually looks cute and actually does look nice. And this is my first time seeing this apartment in person. I did see it like online, and I saw it, you know, videos of it, and I saw it on FaceTime, but this is my first time seeing it in person. And I'm actually not mad at the dark wood. Like, it actually looks really nice in here. So yeah, here we have an electric stove. And I love that there's nothing back here. You guys know usually a stove has like that back part and it shows the time there, but no, literally everything is here for you. Then of course the microwave. And I did, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. I can't breathe with this mask on. And I'm gonna tell you guys at the end of this video also why I'm out of breath. But yeah, so we are currently moving in some of my things right now. Not the furniture, just like, you know, like my clothes and shoes and things like that, and like cleaning supplies. So there's gonna be like a few things in here already. But yeah, so this is the rest of the kitchen. There is a dishwasher here. And then another favorite part of this kitchen of mine is actually the sink. Like, this is super cute. And there's a garbage disposal. You just press that button here, and that's how you turn on the garbage disposal. But this, like, so cute. But yeah, so that is the kitchen. I also really love how light the floors are. It's not too light and not too dark. And so right to the left of the kitchen, there is another door here. And this is a closet, like a coat closet. But of course, I'm gonna most likely use this to like store maybe like detergent and stuff to do the laundry, and then also like mops and brooms, and just, I have tons of bull crap, so I'll probably just store it in there as well. And one thing I do like about this apartment is that the railing and the racks and the closets are adjustable, so you can move this as high or as low as you like. And then this here is like the little thermostat thing. I actually don't even know how to use that yet. Yeah, I don't know how to use that yet, so I'm not even gonna mess with it. And then over here to the right is the living room. So I already plan to have like, maybe, I plan to have 2 bar stools here, but from seeing it now, I think 3 will look better. Because this is it's actually longer than like what it looked when I saw it online. So maybe I'll do 3 bar stools here. And then I'm not sure, I already picked out a couch and stuff, but yeah, everything should fit. What I picked out is definitely gonna fit. This isn't like the hugest living room ever, but it is big, like it's big enough. It's more than enough space. And then I can also fit like a desk or something here against this wall. Well, of course, when I move all of my stuff. But I think like a desk or something can go here. But knowing me, I'm most likely going to put like a full size, like a huge standing mirror or like a bar cart or something. I don't know yet. But yeah, so this is the living room space. And then of course, the TV will go up here against this wall, and then right outside this window is a balcony, and outside this window, there's like a TV and stuff down there. I'm not really gonna show outside just for privacy reasons. And I am hoping, like I said, this is my first time inside the apartment, and it's, what time is it? It's like almost midnight right now. So I'm just hoping that there is good lighting in here. But another thing that I really do like is the lighting. You can actually adjust it. So this is the light for the living room, and it turns on that light right there, but you can dim it or turn it higher if you like. So that's something that's really cool. You can do that in the kitchen as well, I think. So yeah. That's the living room. To the left over here is the bathroom. I'll show you guys the bathroom last though. And then right through here is the bedroom. There is a ceiling fan in here, which is great. I don't usually get hot, but sometimes I do, and I would prefer the fan rather than an AC, because the AC just makes me way too cold. And I think you could probably dim the light in here as well. Let's see. Or I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Like I said, I haven't. Okay, that's to turn the fan on. That's turn the light off. Yeah, I don't know how anything works in here yet. Now this is, okay, I'm not complaining, you guys. I love this apartment, but this is probably one thing I'm not like in love with. This bedroom is pretty small, pretty freaking small. I am gonna get a queen size bed. And I know the bed will fit perfectly, but I like to have 2 nightstands, and I just don't think 2 nightstands will fit in here good. So maybe I'll just do 1 nightstand over here on this side. And then of course the TV will go over here on this wall. And again, I'm hoping for some good lighting through this window. And this is a pretty big window, so I should get somewhat good lighting. Yeah, I'm really not sure how a bed is gonna fit here. The bed's gonna take up pretty much most of the room. I already know that. And then right here on the left is the closet. It is a walk-in closet. And it is a pretty nice size. And again, the closet, you can adjust the railing. You can make this higher or lower. And I actually want to ask them if they have like extras of these so that I can move this one up higher, like move this one higher and then add another one, just to have like 2 levels of shelving, and I could put like my purses or shoes on there and then hang my clothes, of course, on the rails. So yeah, that is the closet. And yeah, there's carpet in the closet, and then there's also carpet in the bedroom. And then going back out the bedroom, we walk into the bathroom. I just realized the floor in the bathroom is different from the floor in the rest of the apartment. But yeah, so this is the bathroom, another one of my favorites. This bathtub is amazing. I'm obsessed with the marble. Like, this is so freaking cute. I love how deep the bathtub is, and it's super wide. Like, I'm for sure gonna spend about an hour taking a bubble bath in here. And of course, there's a shower as well. And something else I also noticed about the bathroom, there's a light in the shower. Like, I love that. That's so cute. And then also, I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but the shower railing is actually like curved around the bathtub. I don't know, I just pay attention to like really small details, and that's something that I can like really appreciate in a bathtub. So yeah, that's the bathtub. And then of course over here we have the toilet, and then this huge little storage cabinet. And of course I'll just store like bath towels and things like that in there. And then right here to the right of the bathtub, there's a towel rack, and then also this one here. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna hang my robes there. Well, probably not, because I have 1,000 robes, but, or like another towel or something. I don't know. So yeah, that is the bathroom. Look at this bathtub, like, so nice. And then yeah, let me show you guys why I have been MIA on YouTube. Well, part of the reason, and also why I'm out of breath, besides from wearing this mask. I am currently 7 months pregnant, you guys. I am 30 weeks. I'll be 31 weeks and 5 days. But yeah, this is what's been going on. So I guess I kind of updated you guys in this video as well. But yeah, so this is why you guys haven't really been getting much content from me. Well, any content from me on YouTube. Yeah, because I haven't posted anything since I've been pregnant. I have filmed maybe like 2 videos, but I just didn't upload them. Well, I didn't even edit them either. But yeah, but if you do follow me on Instagram, then you probably already knew I was pregnant, because I did share it with you guys on Instagram, and I, you know, posted pictures and things like that. So if you follow me on Instagram, then you already knew that I was pregnant. But yeah, so this is what's going on. And I feel like I'm gonna, wow, my stomach is finally bigger than my butt. Never thought I'd see this day. But yeah, so this is the rest of the bathroom. Here's the sink, and there's also tons of storage down here. Of course, I'll buy like different little containers or like little cubbies to just organize like hair products and bath products and things like that. And then there's also, how do you open this? Oh, there's a cabinet on this side, and I love that there's a drawer inside the cabinet instead of being on the outside. That's really cool. But yeah, and the cabinets are also the soft closing cabinets, so like they're not gonna make up tons of noise, which is good because I do have a baby on the way, and when he's sleeping, I'm gonna want him to sleep and not be disturbed. And the soft closing cabinets are really gonna come through for me. So yeah, this was my empty apartment tour, and you guys are gonna be seeing a lot more videos from me here on YouTube. I'm not hiding my baby anymore, so I'm definitely gonna be uploading. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I'm also gonna be uploading maybe just like different like home decor videos and like maybe a furnished apartment tour instead of an empty apartment tour. But yeah, and if you guys are wondering, I am still in LA. Yes, I still live in Los Angeles. And I've just been enjoying my pregnancy, pretty much. That's why I haven't been on YouTube. So I will see you guys in the next video.